No matter how you try to stop,
peu importe comment tu cherches à
to
arrêter
comport maturely,
de te comporter maturement,
if you keep on listening to some conversations,
si tu continues à écouter certaines conversations,
you will one day be misled.
tu vas un jour être mal
I
dirigé.
know married women,
Je connais les femmes mariées,
married men
les hommes mariés
that have decided to cheat on their wife,
qui ont décidé d'aller
cheat on their
dehors,
husband because of what?
à cause de
Long conversation.
longues conversations. Vérité.
I have seen men and women
J'ai vu des hommes et des femmes
that end up accusing people
qui ont fini par accuser les gens
because of a long conversation with their friend.
à cause des longues conversations
When
avec
you
leurs
have a
amis.
long conversation with your friend, you will lie to yourselves.
Quand tu as les longues conversations avec ton ami, vous allez finir par vous mentir vous-même.
And you will call this is my tight friend.
Et tu vas dire que ça c'est mon meilleur ami.
Friend in lies telling.
Le meilleur ami dans le mensonge.
Look the life of Jesus.
Regardez la vie de
He
Jésus.
does not have long conversation with people.
Il n'avait pas les longues conversations avec des
He
gens.
gave them food.
Il les donnait à
As they were
manger.
eating, he left.
Quand
and
il
went.
mange, il quitte, il part.
He prayed for them.
Il prie
As
pour
they are
eux.
celebrating their healing, he
Et
went
célèbre
back to
leur
the
guérison.
mountain.
Lui, il rentre à la
Each time you
montagne.
have long conversation,
Chaque fois que tu as les longues
with
conversations avec quelqu'un,
you will be tempted.
tu serais tenté.
I know people who end up going out with their boss at their job site
Je connais des gens qui ont fini par sortir avec leur patron au
because
travail
of the long period that the boss takes to appreciate your hard work.
à cause des longues périodes
You
que
also
le
now
boss
want to
prend
work
pour
it with your body so that your body you see.
apprécier ton travail. Et toi, tu finis par tomber. Vérité.
Your boss is telling you, you know you are the only hardworking somebody, and you are not seeing anything you are working.
Et il dit que tu
You
travailles
are
beaucoup,
really
toi tu ne vois
appreciating.
pas.
My boss self is complaining my work.
Tu dis
Don't
que
worry.
même mon patron
When your boss will start to work on you, you will understand the work
Quand il
he's
va
talking
commencer à
about.
travailler sur toi, tu vas comprendre le travail dont il parle.
Long conversation with your boss
Longue conversation avec ton patron
end up making you to do what? To do what? Fall in love,
finit par te faire tomber amoureux.
not fall in activities.
Vérité.
And when you finally fall in love
Et quand tu tombes finalement
and you misbehave,
et tu te comportes mal,
the place like start to look to you as if it's mud everywhere.
la place va commencer à être
When
comme
you are
s'il y a
coming
la boue partout.
You are making like this. People are saying, what is wrong? You can't walk fine. Your mind is not at rest. I know many people who gave birth to children in this generation because of long conversation.
Je connais des gens qui ont accouché dans cette génération à cause des longues conversations.
Say neighbor, let your conversation have limits.
Voisin, que tes conversations aient des limites.
Look at Joseph.
Regardez Joseph.
When he started to talk with the wife of Potiphar,
Quand il a commencé à parler avec la femme de Potiphar,
and Potiphar started to went with long conversation,
et quand elle a commencé à venir avec les longues conversations,
Joseph equally said,
Dieu a également, Joseph a dit,
your husband, my boss,
ton mari qui est mon
has given me
patron
authority over
m'a donné
everything
l'autorité
except
dans
you.
tout,
Let's
sauf
stop
toi.
this conversation.
Donc arrêtons cette conversation.
But you're
Et toi?
beautiful. Like, are you sure? Are you sure? Look at my gown. I bought it yesterday. Look at my knees. Hey, don't worry. Don't do what? Some of you are going to work, not to go and work. Oh.
Certains pas
See,
de
they're
travail, pas pour
appreciating
travailler.
you. You dress well.
Mais puisqu'on t'apprécie, tu
You
t'habilles
put
bien.
nails. When you come there, oh,
mets les
Mami
ongles.
Nyanga. You're making like Mami Nyanga. You're making like this. Tomorrow, after 3-4 months,
Demain,
Mami Bele.
après 2-3 mois, on commence à dire que mamie ventre.
And I make it like this.
Maintenant, tu tires le ventre.
You can easily turn from Mami Nyanga to Mami Bele. You don't know
Tu
like
peux
that?
facilement quitter de mamie Nyanga à mamie Belé.
Eh? And when you have Bele now, are you still beautiful? Can you put eyelashes again? Can you put knees?
Et quand tu tombes déjà enceinte, tu constates
say,
que
hey, I
tout
don't
ce que tu
because
faisais,
that
tu ne
woman
peux
be
plus faire.
ugly, so,
On commence à dire que quand il ne savait pas que la
That
fille
woman
était
be
laide comme
ugly.
ça. Elle était laide.
Don't hide your identity.
Cache pas ton identité.
Cut your conversation.
Coupe tes conversations.
Say neighbor, don't allow Satan to talk to you.
Voisin, ne laisse pas Satan te parler.
Long conversation
Les longues conversations
makes you to have spiritual wife and husband.
te fait avoir le mari spirituel et
It
la
can be
femme
done through
spirituelle.
media.
Ça peut être fait à travers les
When you
médias.
communicate with telephone for long,
Vous communiquez avec les téléphones longtemps.
something will live there and enter your spirit.
Quelque chose va quitter et entrer dans ton esprit.
Many of
Vérité.
you have watched all of video and they have started giving you some kind of naked video. You want to keep on watching. When you sleep at night, will spiritual husband and wife come? Where did you invite him? Through your media. Do you know media people communicate like people in this world? This is another world. Media is another world.
Le
Do
média
you know
c'est
they
notre
communicate
monde
also?
et le monde si
They
c'est un autre.
understand each other. The same like you understand each other.
Eux se comprennent entre eux là-bas dans ce
So
média et ici vous
when I
comprenez.
look at some of you, the way you do with your phone, I love it.
Donc quand je regarde certains d'entre vous, la manière où vous faites avec vos téléphones, ça me fait rire.
You are
Même le
tempted.
pilier. Tu es tenté.
So you decide not to look for phone to start calling people. How are you? Do you really wanted to call them? Your long conversation with your phone has made you to start missing people, and that is the wrong way for you.
Les
Satan
longues
is talking.
conversations a fait que tu commences à avoir envie de voir des gens et puis tu te trouves en train d'appeler.
In this
n'importe comment.
generation, just be putting television. You put gospel channel, you pass. Then you come and put Nina TV. Even a small child will say, "Mama, stop, let them see."
Tu vois, on change la télé, les chansons religieuses, tu vas voir, on va passer.